Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C63. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look under the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To enable cruise control, pull this lever. Now this Tronic Plus is enabled. Accelerate to desired speed and then push this lever forward. Upwards, to activate cruise control. Now you can increase the speed by pushing it upwards or decrease it by pushing it downwards. Also, you can adjust the distance from the car by twisting the top part of the lever. To disable cruise control, push this lever. And cruise control is now disabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.